Hi everyone. Right now it's very late here in China. It's already past 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm not in my room this time. I'm sitting alone in my car, parked on the side of the road. The streets are completely quiet. Almost no cars passing by, no people walking around. The whole city is asleep. Only me still awake. I often sit in my car like this late at night. Many people don't understand why. They think I should just go home, but for me, this car is more than just a car. It's the only place where I can truly be alone with my thoughts. When I'm at home, it's quiet, but it still feels like life. But here in my car, I can turn off the engine, turn off the lights, and just disappear from the world for a little while. No noise, no questions, no pressure. Just me, myself, and my feelings. Sometimes I just sit and watch the dark, empty streets. I start thinking about my life, about how far I've come, and how much I've lost along the way. I'm almost 40 years old now. I don't have a family. I don't have someone waiting for me at home. I still live alone. I still eat alone. I still go to bed alone. And now I'm sitting in my car alone again. Some nights, this loneliness hits me really hard. I look around and see so many people living the life I once thought I would have. They have someone to share their day with, someone to eat with, someone to talk before they sleep. They have warm houses full of laughter, and I have just this quiet car. When I was young, I never imagined my life would be like this. I thought I would be loved. I thought I would be understood. I thought I would have someone who stays by my side no matter what. But life didn't turn out that way. Relationships ended. Promises were broken. People who once cared left. And slowly, I ended up alone. In China, everyone around me still asks the same questions. When are you getting married? Why don't you find someone? What are you waiting for? They don't ask if I'm tired. They don't ask if I'm hurt. They don't ask if I'm really happy. They only care if I follow the life timeline everyone else follows. They don't know how many nights I sit alone in my car, not wanting to go home, to have an empty, quiet room. They don't know how many times I've cried quietly here, with no one to see me. I work hard every day. I try to live a good life. I'm polite to everyone. I don't hurt anyone. But sometimes I ask myself, why do I feel so lonely? Why does life feel so heavy? I see other people's happy lives online. They show their families, their lovers, their happiness. And I just watch, like I'm watching someone else's life, not living my own. I still don't know what the future holds for me. Will I always be alone? Will I always be the one sitting alone in my car late at night? Will I ever have someone who waits for me to come home? I really don't know. Some nights I feel hopeful, but many nights I just feel sad. Tonight, sitting here in my car, I don't have any big answers. I just have my thoughts. The dark night and this quiet little space that belongs only to me. I really want to ask you, do you also have a place where you go to be alone with your sadness? A car, a room, a quiet street? Do you also feel lonely sometimes, even when you have everything else? Do you also pretend to be fine when you are actually sad inside? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear you. Thank you for listening to me again. Good night from my car in China.